welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, bienvenidos, hajime and my name is Hillary. So today I have a super fun video planned for you guys, and I am actually going to try some questionable makeup hacks that I found from the Snapchat Discover page. As you may know, Snapchat Discover has many different kinds of channels that you can keep up with, from like news to obviously makeup, and you can also watch your favorite influencers on there. But today I want to dive a little bit deeper into the makeup side of things and find some really interesting makeup hacks to try to recreate and see if they can actually help my makeup routine. And I'm actually going to be saving the worst makeup hacks for the end of the video, so make sure you watch all of the video to see those. So there are a couple of channels, if you will, that I will be focusing on today. The first one we're going to look at is one called Beauty Hacks from Snapchat Discover. So I went through, and obviously, I mean, they're called Beauty Hacks, they better have something good for me. But let's just get right into it and see which one we want to recreate.
Hack 1. Easy contouring. Want the easiest contouring trick ever? We got you covered. Take a beauty blender, cut it in half, rub it over your bronzer, and stamp it where you want your contour. Take another beauty blender and blend it all out. You can also use a makeup brush. Apply bronzer with long strokes and blend it out.
I cannot believe what I have just witnessed. So first, they were like, okay, you know what? We're gonna tell you to use a sponge to put on your contour, but guess what, guys? You can do it with a brush. Who'd have thunk powder contour is supposed to be applied with a brush? Dang, that's crazy. Whatever, let's just do it, I guess. Okay, so I'm taking this contour palette from LA Colors and this LA Colors brush. And just like they said, guys, dip that fluffy brush in the contour and long strokes. Guys, if this isn't innovation, I don't know what is. So let's move on, I guess. That's one down.
Hack 4. Colorful eyeshadow. Want your eyeshadow to be more vibrant?
Yes.
Try a white pencil. Use it as a base for your eyeshadow. Blend it and apply your eyeshadow on top. Let's try concealer now. Apply it as a base and blend, of course. Apply that eyeshadow and, you guessed it, blend. Looks like that white pencil gives more color payoff. We have a winner.
Okay, now unfortunately I don't actually have a white pencil, cream pencil, but I do have two white cream eyeshadows that should do essentially the same thing. It's just, you know, different kind or whatever. And I actually do think that this hack will work. I mean, it's the same theory of putting concealer down as a base. But let's just get into it. I'm gonna start with this Revlon cream eyeshadow. That's white. Okay, now for the colorful eyeshadow, as mentioned in the video, I'm going in with my You Can Be Fruit Pie Filling palette in the shade Wax Apple, which is this like really like vibrant hot pink shade. So we'll just go for it. So this doesn't surprise me at all that this obviously worked, but I will also be putting it up against concealer on this side. So I have my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the color Fairy Beige, and I'm just going to put that on this left lid and repeat the same process. Okay, so I actually think the concealer worked better than the cream eyeshadow that I used, because the cream eyeshadow I used is like a shimmery shade. You can kind of see like the shimmer underneath it, whereas my concealer dried matte and the eyeshadow just stuck to it. But I don't think either of them look bad at all. I mean, this works for a couple reasons. Like I said, the eyeshadow just has a base to stick to now, and also you're giving it like a clean slate just to show the pigment that is in the eyeshadow. So again, this does not surprise me that it worked. I'm just gonna highlight my inner corner and brow bone off camera real quick, and then we'll get back into the hacks. A lip hack is just what we need for this look. So let me go pick out a lipstick real quick, one that I know has a tend to maybe fade or smudge away, and then I'll be right back. So I have this little lipstick. It's pink, you know, it's matching the vibe, and they're super soft, like the formula, so they go on like super easy, but they're always like gone by like in a couple hours. So if this hack actually works, I might actually start using it, but we'll see. Don't know yet. So I'm just gonna put this on real quick. Okay, just as a quick test, I'm going to kiss this piece of toilet paper and show you guys how much transfers, so then we can get a comparison for later. I don't know if you can see it. It's some. I mean, you can definitely see it. My finger's pink now. But, so, we know that this does transfer. So now I'm just going to take some setting spray that I have. Oh, sorry, setting powder. So I think I kind of messed this up. I was like, well, why don't I just apply it directly on the lips? But now my lips look like super cakey. So I'm going to try to fix this real quick, because I actually want to give this hack a fair chance. Okay, I think it's time for another test real quick. It's the same. I don't think as much is coming up on my finger though. And it feels, I think what it does is it takes, I mean obviously it's supposed to set makeup down, who'd have thunk? But I think what it does is, for like the lipstick that I used, it takes like a soft, like creamy lipstick and just makes it more matte. So I mean, you're just gonna have matte lips instead of like a creamy shiny one, which I mean, it's whatever. If that's what you want. I mean, I guess it worked. Okay, now let's move on to some eyeliner hacks. By the way, this lip hack and the next hack is from a Snapchat discovery page by the name of 49 Looks. Now 49 Looks, I mean, they're kind of like the 5-minute crafts of makeup for me. Like sometimes you just have to watch them to see how crazy they really are. And this next hack is no exception, so let's just get into it. I mean, if that's not the craziest makeup hack you've ever seen, I don't know what to tell you. So, they are saying that I can take a dental floss stick and do my eyeliner wing with it by putting eyeliner on this and then creating like a V stamp So I don't know what else to say except let's just try it. So I have a liquid eyeliner, and now I'm just going to cover the whole floss with it, and let's just go for it. So I'm gonna start with the bottom. Wow. Wow. Nothing happened. Wow. Oh, there we go, something. Okay. I don't know how I'm supposed to... I hate this so much. Oh, I kind of have something. Okay, I think that might be the best we're gonna get. So now I'm just going to fill it in. Wow. Okay, like honestly though, about this hack, what is this gonna do that this can't? Liquid eyeliners are designed so that they are easy to apply. Obviously it takes practice, but what I'm really concerned about is going to try to get them even, because it's one thing to like get a wing on one eye, but I think the most challenging part is to get them to match, and I don't see any way that this can help me with that, but I guess we'll see. I'm already scared that these aren't gonna be even. Okay, that's the best we're gonna get, I think. So now I'm just gonna fill the rest in with my felt tip eyeliner. You know, it's almost like I was scared that they weren't gonna be even, and you know what? They're not even. Wow, who'd have thunk? I'm gonna try to get these to match. No promises though. This might take a while, but I'll be right back. I don't know what to do about this. You know what? Let's just leave it. It's the hack, you know? The hack, I did what the hack told me to do. It's not my fault. I'm just gonna extend my inner corners real quick and then I'll be right back. So I just quickly did my base because I forgot about it. Overall, these hacks were very underwhelming to me. I am still so upset that they said putting on powder contour with a fluffy brush was a hack. Like, what the heck? Oh my gosh. But anyway, I think the ones that I probably would use again is the lipstick one. I think that one actually like might work. And obviously the concealer underneath the eyeshadow. That's been around like ever, I think. So was not surprised there. The eyeliner hack, I would definitely never use that again. But it was fun to try out, I will admit. So I'm glad I got to, and again, let me know what you guys think of these. Okay, so those are all the hacks for today's video. Let me know what you guys think of this. This was so much fun to film and record. Let me know, yeah, do you want more of this? There are literally countless Snapchat discoveries of these kinds of makeup hacks. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, ring the bell if you want to get notified when I upload, and I think that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.